This interstellar visitor, 3I Atlas, entered our solar system from the inner regions of our galaxy, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen. Right now, it's about 209 million kilometers from the Sun, moving closer each day, while Earth drifts slowly away. Because of this geometry, the comet has already slipped out of view from telescopes on Earth. As it passes behind the Sun, what happens during this hidden phase will remain a complete mystery. Scientists expect 3I Atlas to reappear in early December 2025, emerging from the opposite side of the Sun, and when it does, it may reveal answers to the many questions surrounding it. But before disappearing from view, Atlas displayed something truly unexpected. Recent observations show that it's surrounded by a strange protective environment, a kind of shield that seems to resist intense solar radiation and solar wind. According to scientists, no comet has ever been observed behaving this way. New data has revealed even more surprises. The region near the object's core is dominated by nickel, with almost no iron, while the middle layer of the coma contains cyanide compounds, and the outer gas shell is filled with carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. This uneven chemical layering suggests that Atlas was formed in an entirely different environment, possibly outside any familiar solar conditions. Earlier, scientists noticed what seemed to be an anti-tail, a tail pointing toward the Sun, not away from it. At first, they thought it was just an optical illusion, but new observations from the TED Observatory in Spain revealed that it's actually real. A jet of material shooting directly toward the Sun, stretching for hundreds of kilometers. This completely breaks the traditional understanding of comet behavior. The closer Atlas gets to the Sun, the stranger it becomes. Its high negative polarization, never seen in any normal comet, shows that even sunlight interacts with it in an unusual way. Adding to the mystery, around the same time Atlas approached the Sun, several other comets also began moving closer to Earth. When Atlas reaches its hidden position behind the Sun, all three comets will align near Earth, a rare cosmic coincidence that deepens the intrigue. On October 21, 2025, 3I Atlas will move directly behind the Sun from Earth's perspective, entering a solar conjunction. From that moment, it will be completely invisible to all Earth-based telescopes. That's where things get even more speculative. Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard raised an unsettling question. Could this period behind the Sun serve as a perfect cover? A chance for the object to change its course or even use solar energy for some kind of technological activity, hidden completely from our instruments. Meanwhile, the Sun itself is behaving unpredictably. It was expected to reach its peak activity in late 2024, yet instead of calming down, it's becoming more active than ever, puzzling solar scientists. With both the Sun and Atlas acting in unexpected ways, researchers are preparing for intense observation once Atlas re-emerges. Before disappearing, Atlas made a close pass by Mars, and both the Mars orbiter and rover captured their closest ever images. The data suggests an elongated shape and unusual chemical emissions. Strangely, intense Martian dust storms were recorded during the same time, leading to more speculation about its influence. The best image of Atlas was reportedly captured by the high-rise camera aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, but NASA hasn't released it yet, citing the government funding shutdown. Some believe the delay might not be coincidental, that perhaps NASA is holding back critical data. While the European Space Agency has released limited information confirming the detection, they've also stated that further details cannot be shared publicly at this time. And just when it seemed it couldn't get stranger, it did. Scientists have discovered that a complex chemical reaction is occurring inside Atlas, nickel being refined through nickel tetracarbonyl formation and breakdown, a process known only from human industrial chemistry on Earth. Finding such reactions in nature and in space is unprecedented. On top of that, Atlas is releasing jets of water vapor, but its trajectory remains completely stable. Normally, such activity would cause noticeable deviations, yet Atlas stays perfectly on course, as if controlled. Some researchers, including Professor Loeb, suggest this could mean the object is extremely massive, possibly around 33 billion tons, making it almost impossible for outgassing to affect its motion. Even more curious is Atlas's trajectory. It travels along the exact plane of our solar system, and it entered from nearly the same direction as the famous "wow" signal, a mysterious radio burst once thought to be of non-natural origin. Each new observation only deepens the mystery. Is 3I Atlas a natural interstellar object, or something else entirely? When it finally reappears from behind the sun, it will come closer to Earth than ever before. And with that, scientists hope to uncover the truth about what it really is. Until then, all we can do is wait and wonder. What is 3I Atlas doing, hidden behind the sun, beyond our reach?